Hello viewers, based on the previous video, let us solve a few questions and try to better understand the pattern of questions. Okay, so let us start with the first question. The development from central part of the body towards peripheries or extremities denotes the first option principles of radiated development, second option principles of decentralized development, third option principles of proximo-distal development, fourth one principles of cascade development. So we have seen the development from central part towards the peripheries or the extremities is principle of proximo-distal development. So the answer will be option 3. Next question we have, which of the following is not a principle of development? Let us see the options. First one, individuals develop at different rates. Development is relatively orderly, second option. Third one, development takes place gradually over a period of time, third option. Fourth one, exact course and nature of development is determined at the time of birth. So, individuals develop at different rates. Development is relatively orderly. Development takes place gradually over a period of time. That's also true. So, which is not true, he is asking. So, we have seen every individual is different from other, and it is relatively order, and it takes place gradually from time to time. So, exact course and nature of development is determined at the time of birth. No, which is not true. So, the answer will be option 4. Next question we have, which of the following statements about the role of heredity and environment in human development is correct? Let us see. So here we have understood in the previous video that heredity gives us shape, structure, complexion, features, and environment gives us opportunities to develop these features. And the options are, the only reason for individual differences is heredity, which is not correct. Environmental influences totally shape the development of a human. No. Neither heredity nor environment influence human development. Option 3, no. Fourth option, heredity and environment both influence human development in a complex interplay. Yes, they are interrelated. So the answer will be heredity and environment both influence human development in a complex interplay. Next question we have, during the period of childhood, development is slow and cannot be measured, first option. Second option is multi-layered and complex. Third option consists of only quantitative changes. Fourth option, it is orderly and disjointed. So to understand this question first, the period of childhood, that is 6 to 12 years, that is middle childhood we can say. Here the development is multi-layered and it is complex. Answer is option 2. Which of the following, fifth question, which of the following statements about development is correct? Now, there is a lot of cultural diversity in the development of children. Option 1. Option 2, children across the world follow the same sequence and exact time of development. Option 3, development occurs in a neat orderly set of stages predetermined by genetic factors. Option 4, development is simple and unidimensional. So, here which of the statements is correct? So, there is a lot of cultural diversity in the development of children is the right answer. Option 1. Next question we have, which of the following characterize the period of middle childhood? Middle childhood is 6 to 12 years. First option, physical growth and development occur at a very rapid pace. Option 2, ability to think abstractly and use of scientific reasoning develops. Option 3, children begin to think logically but concretely. Option 4, learning occurs primarily through sensory and motor activities. Sensory and motor activities is the children of age group that is 0 to 2 years of age. So here the children began to think logically but concretely. Here the children between the age group 6 to 12 years of age can experience concreteness, not abstractness. For example, if you say assume or imagine, so their cognitive levels has not got developed to think abstractly. So the answer will be option 3, children begin to think logically but concretely. I hope you have understood the questions or questions and their pattern. Thank you for watching.